to repeat it. So if you click on this one, Control arrow is going to repeat it. Do you understand? So let's move. You can see here we have our bring inform focus. What does this mean? So let's check it out. You can see this is what it bring out. Inform focus. This is it. You know, why this one is showing like this is because the updated Coreldraw. We are using 2025. 2025 will show you like this. Maybe 2024 can also do something like this, but I didn't use 2024. I just dive into 2025 from 2022 to 2025. So you can see it. So you have to off the layer. You have to click it to show you this. So you see what this mean. So you see copy, cut, sorry. So cut, Control X. You hear the word cut. What does that mean? Okay, let's do the practical. You know, we always do practical. So Control X is going to cut it out, which is going to take it from that document, or from up, or from down to up. You understand? Maybe this stuff now is in down, because as you are seeing it now, it's down already. So you want to pick it up. Let's put color so you understand. And this one is down. We want to pick this one up. For instance, your control page up, page down is not working. So to bring this thing up, you are going to select this object. This one is already selected. So immediately you select it, you press Control X in your keyboard, then you press Control V. It's going to paste it up. You get Control X, Control V. It's going to paste it up. You can also to copy, Control C, but note this stuff will not disappear the way that one disappear. So it's not going to disappear. It's going to copy it and paste it again, which is we have to duplicate. So now you come to, you can see it, copy, Control C to copy. I already explained that one. Then copy property from, watch, let's do it, either from outline or from your color. You see it, either from your outline pen, or from your outline color, or from your fill color. Do you know what fill means? Fill is this you see this blue color you are seeing. This is the fill. The outline color is this black you are seeing. This is the outline color. This is the outline color. So immediately you hear fill, no, they are talking about this color inside your box, inside your shape. So if you hear about the outline, you can see them here. Copy fill. Watch what will happen. You see it? Copy. Let's go again. Copy outline here. What will happen? To copy the outline. Okay. Copy all property. It's going to copy everything about this guy here. It's going to copy it to here. So if you make, so you're going to copy property. You see, copy or property. So it copies the details, everything about this guy to this one. So that is it. So you see, then paste, Control V to paste, Control V to paste. Then you see paste in view. Let's do it. Let's do the practical so you guys will understand. Paste in view. This guy is selected, right? Let's try it again. Paste in view. It's already pasted again. Paste in view. That is what paste in view does. Yes. So paste in view, you can do anything of your choice. Anything of your choice you want to do. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please, you have to subscribe. I'm begging you. Let's grow together. Please, let's grow together. So if you have not subscribed, please go and subscribe. Share this video so other people will see it and other people can also learn from it. Thank you very much. So let's continue. You can see here we have our duplicate. So I'm going to duplicate it so we can do some other things here. You can see here we have our delete. delete, you just have to press delete, which is your space bar or your delete here. They're going to leave. Then you see duplicate, Control D to duplicate. You click it, it's going to duplicate this work you are seeing there. Then we have our clone. I have not used this before. That's why I said you will not use everything in Coreldraw. So I should not go and tell you guys rubbish, but let's test it so we'll see what it means. Clone, okay. You just see what it do just now. So I think that is what it does, which is the clone. So let's go to select all. Wow. This is object, this is text, this is guideline. So let's test it. Objects. See, it selected all the objects. All the objects selected all. They are all selected. So to do this also is like this. You just draw your mouse and select all. So this is the place you can get it easily. Select all. This one is select all text, and there is no text inside this place now. It's only when there is text. It's only when there is text. Then you space again, go and type another text. Then type another text. Then give it another text. You see, watch and see. Select all text. You see all the text, they are all selected. So that is it. You can see find and replace. So if you click this stuff, what do you understand by this find and replace? For instance, now maybe you lost any of your tools in this your tools box. You understand? Maybe you lost your tools in your tools box and now you can't bring them back. So the tools that is not here, immediately you press Ctrl F to find and replace the stuff you lost. So if you press on Ctrl X, you are going to click on property. So if you click on property, it's going to show any of your tool that you lost here. It's going to show it in this area. But now we have no tool that we lost. We did not lost any tool in this my program. They are all complete. You can see it. They are all complete. It's only when we lost two, that is when you come to here to show yes you lost two. But for maybe you lost style or shape or anything, you can put it here. See find object, replace object. You can check it, any of your object you find or you want to replace. So find all, non-find, outline, non-found. So you can see it here, either anyone you want to do. You can see, you can choose, you can select font, either your font, your height, your width, or you can see, I don't know, but you can find anything here, either your property, your shape, your size or anything. So you can find them here. Replace object. If you want to replace the object, now you come to replace all, not found, meaning there is nothing in this place now that we lost. We didn't lost anything. We remove is different from lost, you understand? So we didn't lost anything. So let's cancel it. So let's come to our view. Firstly, I'm still going to start with the one we really know how to use, not with the one we don't know. Yes, not with the one we don't know, because I can't tell you what I don't know. Yes, but just that I only know how to design professionally. That's what we are here for. You understand? That's what we are here for. We're not here for this, that, these are, but you need to know all this. Yeah, there's a reason why you need to know. At least you should know 90% of your Coreldraw. In fact, you can even just say many things offered, where in your file, in your edit, your view, your layer, you can say some things there offered. You get? So let's continue. You can see this our file has multiple page view, it has multiple page view. What does this mean? But before I move to that place, let's come to this place. You can see full screen preview F9. If you want to preview just this full screen without anything, F9. So that is it. So let's go to the next one. Then you see multi-page view, meaning we have only this one page here, so it's going to view only this one page. It's only when we have up to like more than one page in this document, that is when it's going to view everything. You can see I'm opening page now by clicking this plus you are seeing here. So now if you come to your multi-page view, if you click it, it's going to show the 4 page you opened. Now you can see it, you open the document, it's going to show it. So that is it, multi-page view. You can see it. Then while we have our zoom tool, our zoom in, zoom out, you already know what this means. You can use it to zoom in or zoom out, either your zoom in or zoom out. Shortcut is Z, please. Shortcut is Z, but on a normal note, shortcut here is control plus plus. You understand? It's control, let me just say control plus. Just press control, then you hold your plus. You can see it to zoom in. Then if you want to zoom out, control plus minus. So let me say it like that. But on a normal note, shortcut for Z to zoom in this area is Z. You can see it is Z normally. Z, you can see it there, Z. So either you are zooming, you click on your Z, it will bring out, you can use it to zoom in or zoom out by right clicking or left clicking. So you can do one of those two. F4 is to view all your work, all the work in you did. It's to view it. F4. You can see that place now. I want to view it. F4. To zoom out, which is to view out, it's F3. View in, view out, F3, F4. So let's, the rest you are going to learn it when we are designing. You get, you are going to learn it when we are designing. We have our layer, insert page, duplicate, rename, delete page, go to page, insert page number settings, switch page orientation, document option, page size, page layer, page background, border and government. So we are going to learn all this, we are going to learn the rest, but you just have to check, look at them very well. These are what we have in all of this. So now we will be going, next tutorial will be very interesting. So let's move over to our tool. We have the pick tool, we have the shape tool, we have the crop tool, we have the zoom tool, we have the freehand tool, we have the artistic media tool, we have the rectangle tool, and we have the ellipse tool. Then we have the polygon tool, we have our text tool, we have our parallel dimension tool, then we have our connector tool, we have our shadow tool, we have our transparency tool, and we have our eyedropper tool. Then the last one, we have our interactive fill tool. This is the last one. So in all these tools now, there are different tools under them. There are different tools under them. You can see it. You can see it. There are other tools under there, but not all you use in Coreldraw. Yes, you will not use all in Coreldraw. For those of you that have gone far in Coreldraw, you know what I'm talking about. You won't use all. The ones that are up here that you use, let me inform you of the ones you are going to use here that I'm going to be explaining about. So you can see your pick tool. Your pick tool is used to select, position or transform object. So what does this simply mean? If you want to work with your pick tool, you simply pick your shape, then you are go as it is now, is already selected. You can see the windows part, these black things you are seeing, so it's already selected. So you can position it anywhere you love to position, anywhere. So if you want to also transform it, you can also double tap, which is after selecting, you tap again, then you draw this place, and you draw this place to transform, to do anything you want to do. Just same with pick tool. So you can see them, you can see it, you can do it like this anyhow. We already transformed the tool, our shape. So let's come to our shape tool. Our shape tool is used to manipulate. Wait, shape tool, you can see under there we have edit a curved object or text character by manipulating node. What does this tell you now? You see, this is our shape. When you tap on your shape tool, immediately you draw your shape. When you tap on your shape tool, it's going to bring out this stuff, this black node like this. Now we cannot manipulate it, but we can only edit by dragging it like this. By dragging it like this, we can edit. You can see it by dragging it the way you want it, or the way you want it to curve. This is, we are curving it and we are also editing it. So if you want to do something like this, have you ever seen any design that would look like this? So if you want to do this, you hold your control. If you hold your control, if you want to move one black node, you are going to hold your control, then you drag this place. You can also use it to drag this place. Hold your control, yes, to do it. This is it. So then if you want to manipulate, you come, you tap it again, then you left click, you right click, then you click on convert to curve. You can see there, control Q, the shortcut, then you click on it. It's going to turn to object. You get, as it is before, is not an object, it's just a shape. So anything you convert is already, it will become an object. You understand? So that is it. So now if you want to manipulate, immediately you select your node. Once you select your node, you come over to this place, you come to this place, then you can drag it. Please, if you don't understand, just be following us. You will understand it. Just be following us. So you can see it. That is how to edit, that is how to manipulate. Now we are manipulating this stuff now. When we are manipulating it, you can see it. Please follow us so you can see it, right? You can see it. So stuff like this, you can see all those silver bed and the rest. So you can use it to create them, and any type of logo you want to create, you can create them with your shape tool by manipulating. So anyhow, so we have manipulated this. So let's come to our so if you want to also edit text character, you still have to convert to curve by right clicking, then you see convert to paragraph text. This one is convert to curve. So you click on this convert to curve. Now it will, now you cannot edit it, you cannot do anything again. Like, cannot change the font. Yes, you cannot change the font. Now it's for you to edit. So that is it. I hope you guys understand. Then this is our crop tool. This crop tool is used to crop out a part you don't want in an object or in a design. Okay, let's import our any design, so I will show you what that means. Now you can see this stuff. Now it's telling you that you can crop out a part you don't want in a design. See it, remove the area outside a selection. I know you guys will not understand that, but let me go deep into it. You can see this area now where I selected, right? So if you go to your crop tool, now I need only this part. I just want to crop only this part out. So this is the part you are going to crop out. You get? Then immediately you press on crop to give you only this part. So that is what this your shape tool is used for. Then we have the zoom tool, which is zoom in and zoom out. Zoom out and zoom in. You guys know what that means now. You can see it, zoom in or zoom out. Then we have our freehand tool. Our freehand tool is used to draw a straight line. You can see it is used to draw a straight line by tapping. Then you stretch your mouse, you stretch your hand, then you tap again. You don't have to tap it and just draw. This one, if you draw, it will give you a zigzag line, so you have to tap, then you stretch it. So if you don't know how to do that, I will do a short video on my keys, teaching you guys about short key in my keyboard. So please, if you don't know that, just comment I don't know it, then I will do a tutorial of that. So you can see this one, like I said before, not all you are going to use. We also have a lot here we are going to use. You can use your B-spline, you can use your pen, you can use your brazier tool. Yes, you can use your brazier tool. Then you can use your 2-point curve, but it's your choice if you want to use any of this. So to use any of this, now you click. You see, these are to use them. These are to use them. Then come to here, pen. You see pen. So these are to use all this stuff. Come to your B-spline. You see your B-spline. This is what your B-spline does. It curves continuously. Yes, it has a curving part. So it's for you to maintain it, to do any design of your choice. So let's delete that one. Then let's come over to our polygon line. Our polygon line has continuous line. It does not end except you double click to end it. So if you want to end it, you have to double click to end it. Then we have our 3 curve points. 3-point curve. You can see what this one does. You draw, you stretch it. You draw, you stretch it. Like if you draw, you will leave your mouse, then you stretch it, then you tap on your space, your workspace. So that is it. So let's come over to our rectangle tool. Our rectangle tool, you can't design without this, and we already know you can't design without this. Our rectangle tool is also used to manipulate, is also used to edit, and is also used to design. So this is very important in your design. If you don't have this in your design is not going to be beautiful. Your design will not have shape. You get? So this help you to guide and protect your design, and is like a shirt, like a cover in your design. You can't just be manipulating outside this stuff, or else when you are done, your work will be shapeless. Your work will look anyhow, even when it's beautiful. Everything you manipulate, everything you blend will be showing outside. So it helps you to cover your design, not to be exposed. So I hope you guys understand it. You can see this one, we have the 3-point rectangle tool. So you can see what this one does. So now we have our ellipse tool. This to draw circle. So if you want a straight circle, now if you do it like this, like you just draw it like this, to not be straight. But if you want a straight circle, you are going to hold your control. Yes, if you hold your control, then you drag it. When you hold your control, you drag it, it's going to give you a straight circle. So you see, it's going to give you a straight circle. Then we have our polygon. our polygon. This is what our polygon does. When you drag it by holding your control, you also hold your control if you need a straight stuff. Then if you click on this shape tool, now this polygon tool, you can use it to do style, and you can also use it to create that red thing in a document by adding numbers. So you are going to add many numbers to get the round shape, to get it. So immediately you apply the red color, you can see it. We already have it, so you can see it. That's what it's used for. We already know our text is for typing. So, and we have another one here where you type in a table. So if this text now, you can type in a table. Yes, you can type in a table. Then you go to the next part again. Then you are going to type it like a document size or any stuff, so you understand what this one means. This one I told you before, not all you use. The shadow tool, we already know our shadow tool is to bring out shadow. So if you want your shadow to be bold, you see what I do. Normally I always leave my own in 7. I always put it in 7. Yes, to have a sharp, to have a clear shadow, you leave it in 7. Then in our shadow we have our contour. So this is where our contour is used for. When you hold or you write a text, you go to come to your contour, then you hold your control, your shift, then you tap on this, you see it. Then you are going to break this stuff by doing Ctrl K to break. Then when you break it, you are going to add red or any number. So this one, shows it to give you something like, but let me do this thing well so that you guys will understand it. Come to here, then you hold your shift, you tap on this, then you click it on the node and drag. Yes, have you seen something like this? This is what our contour tool is used for. You can see it. So this is what our contour tool is used for. You can see it. So like these are important, this is important, and a lot. So let me show you these two. You can see this one. You can use it to do anything, like although you can see all those concepts in church stuff. Yes, you can use this one for it, which is our envelope. So time to come, I'm going to be using them to show you a design, or to design for you, so you'll be understanding them. Yes, for those of you that still don't understand, please stay, watch, and just be commenting, just be liking, just be sharing, and please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. So you can see this now. Our eyedropper tool is used to pick color, which is, I want to pick color from here now and apply in another box. You can see it. Eyedropper tool picks only one color, because in this place we have eyedropper tool and we have attribute eyedropper tool. Color eyedropper tool is used to pick only one color from a design. Even if you blend this with 2, even if you blend this color with 2, it's still going to pick one. Yes, either the dark red is going to pick it, is a one color, but attribute eyedropper tool picks 2 color. By once you click it, then you apply it, will give you the 2 color, the same color. So if it's more than 2 color, it will also give you more than 2 color. So that is it. Then we have our transparency tool. We already know our transparency tool is used to blend or to fade out a background or an object. You can see it's used to fade out a background or an object. So now this one, you see, this is the one I use for the 2 color, which is our interactive feed tool. Is used to add 2 color. Yes, our interactive feed tool is used to add 2 color by tapping. Okay, let me remove our blending. So when you tap on your interactive fit tool, then you are going to drag it. You are going to drag it and apply color. See it, you can apply any color of your choice. So that is what it's used for. So you can see it. So now we are done for our introduction. Now in our next tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can export. Yes, how you can export, step by step guide to export professionally, so you will not make mistake in your design, because after designing you will need to export. So please share this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. We love you. Thank you very much for watching this video. We appreciate your comfort. We thank you for all you, and we thank you for being in this video, or to stay tuned to watch this video. We thank you very much. God bless you. Amen.